subscribe to our channel.
7 Natural Remedies for Arthritis in the Hands. 1. Castor oil. Most people don't know that castor oil is an excellent way to reduce the pain and inflammation that arthritis causes in the hands. This natural ingredient has multiple applications and contains an active ingredient known as ricinoleic acid, which has strong anti-inflammatory and pain-killing effects that will help reduce the discomfort and swelling associated with arthritis. A massage using castor oil is recommended twice a day. Another option to obtain the benefits of castor oil is to heat 2 tablespoons and mix them with fresh squeezed orange juice. Drink this every morning on an empty stomach for 2 consecutive weeks, and you'll notice the difference. Remember that you shouldn't consume too much castor oil, as it can have laxative effects. 2. Fenugreek seeds. Multiple studies have found that fenugreek has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that will help reduce the pain from arthritis in just a few months. Fenugreek seeds should be added to a cup of water and allowed to soak overnight. The next day, eat the seeds on an empty stomach and discard the water. For the best results, you should consume these seeds for a few months at a time. 3. Turmeric. One of the top remedies for relieving all kinds of pain and problems related to arthritis is turmeric. This spice has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties. To obtain its benefits, just mix a teaspoon of ground turmeric in a glass of milk along with a tablespoon of honey. If you're lactose intolerant, try vegetable-based milk, or you can even consume this with water. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil contains an active ingredient known as oleocanthal, which inhibits the activity of the COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes that are associated with inflammation. People who include olive oil in their diets are less likely to suffer from rheumatoid arthritis in the future. To reduce pain and inflammation resulting from arthritis in the hands, we recommend using this oil as a gentle massage. For best results, you can mix it with a little lavender essential oil and heat them both. 5. Honey and cinnamon. The combination of honey and cinnamon has numerous medicinal properties, and one of them is to reduce the pain and inflammation caused by arthritis. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory agents and antioxidants, while honey is a natural antiseptic. To benefit from both of these ingredients, just mix 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon with a tablespoon of honey. Take this mixture on an empty stomach every morning to reduce your arthritis symptoms. 6. Epsom salts. Epsom salts have always been a popular choice when it comes to treating the debilitating symptoms that are associated with arthritis. These salts relax the affected joints and provide relief from inflammation, stiffness, and pain. Fill a bowl with hot water and add 2 cups of Epsom salts. Soak your hands in this mixture for 20 minutes, and repeat this treatment twice a week. 7. Apple cider vinegar. Even a product as inexpensive and common as apple cider vinegar can be very helpful in treating the pain and inflammation caused by arthritis in the hands. In this case, just dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a little honey in a cup of water, and drink the mixture in the morning on an empty stomach. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.